Hello guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. Today is your first day. Please subscribe. See my skin. No knuckles guys. See my skin. No knuckles at all. You see, if you're looking for this festival period, if you're looking for a product that you can use and you go to occasion, everybody will be looking at you for this festival period. Yes, you can look up to our yellow CC upgrade. Look at it. All right, yellow CC upgrade. 7 days you don't yellow finish. No stain, no side effect. You can look up to our blend pro 9 set. This our blend pro 9 set is still 7 days you don't yellow finish, you don't white, your skin don't dey plumpy. All right, what about our collagen 16? This lotion you don't need to fake it. Don't fake it. See, I sell what I use what I sell. I will keep saying it. All right, it is what it is. What about this injection product? Instead of you to go be taking some pills, some injections and other, use this product. All right, you will see results all in 7 days. All right, it is what it is. Even our treatment product, we have them. All right, why we are here today is to talk about some regular product that you can use for your skin. Regular product that you can use for your skin, and they are in the market there, which is our gluta white. You see that gluta white is a set. All right, you see them. Okay, and we'll talk about cleaning clear. You know, also is a set also cleaning clear. All right, what about City Plus? So now let's talk about the City Plus. Anyway, the first thing to talk about is the City Plus. Now a lot of people they see because the cream is cheap, they want to see it like it's not effective, or like they just want to tag it with one name. It gives a side effect. That is a big lie. Now this product is a product that I can guarantee you that it can make your skin flawless. Yes, it can make your skin flawless, and it will leave you no side effect. Trust me on that one. It will leave you no side effects. Sometimes some people, you go use product that is not really frequently or okay with your skin, and when you use all this kind of product that they are not okay with your skin, they will cause you side effect. But now that you've know that okay, this product is okay with your skin, what do you intend to use? If you have any other treatment oil or Vitgo oil, you can mix with it. If you want to mix with it, it is best for you that way. If you want to use, are you getting it? But other than that, it will make your skin flawless. When I say to make your skin flawless, it will lighten you. Okay, but all will not happen in a week or 2 weeks. It is different skin type, we understand that, but I will tell you the truth. Some people, they will just tell you, oh, because they want to sell it to you. No, I won't do that to you. It will not happen in 1 week, 2 weeks. These days I'll be talking about products that you can use and they are safe, but they are long time, you know, they are long time before they work. The thing is that not that just too long anyway, because everybody want to work with a fast product. You can just use but I will tell you, if you need a safe product for those market out there, regular product, use a product that you'll be used gradually to work on you, like Irish Gold. All right, you can see to work on you. The carrot one, the other one, they can work on you also within a period. All right, yes, no side effect. So it is what it is. This product I just said, this City Plus, it will exfoliate your skin and it will lighten you. Skin differ, you might use it today and it will work very ASAP for you, to work very fast for you, fine. But the general notion there is that it's not a short period of time, it works within long period of time. Trust me, it's a nice product, so go use it. Now let's go to the other one, gluta white. Woo! This gluta white, the set, why I always want to advise the set for everybody, because one, you use the complete set so that it can work faster. Yes, when you use the complete set, it can work faster for you. Sometimes some people want to use only the lotion, some people want to use only the soap, some people want to use only the oil. No, use the whole of the set so that it can work faster. And it's in one kind lotion that I know that when you use it, to always bring your color out, no matter how your color is. Yes, and don't just assume that because it said gluta white, then you will just get whiter. No. It will only tone you and give you that like 2 shade. Yes, It's only if you want to cross to make it 3-4 shades that you cannot apply something. And I will always tell you, what will you apply? Go apply our product. Do not let them deceive you. Don't go add tube, don't go add anything. Apply our product when they call Blend Pro 9. That's all right. But other than that, this product, use the company said it will work faster, but the shade it will give you no more than 2 shades. If anybody using it and they said, oh, it give them more than 2 shades, more than 3 shades, that is not. There's something I want to make you understand about all this product. All right, there's a product that they are loaded with hydroquinone that you can just use in 2 weeks. They work for you fine, yes, but they are loaded with the hydroquinone. Why some when you use them, they are just a few smart ingredient they added to them that are very safer for the body, for the skin also. So this is one of them also. So now let's move on to the last one, where we say Clinic Clear. Now this Clinic Clear, why I like it most is this. Mostly it have this tendency to really rejuvenate your skin. All right, it have this tendency to moisturize your skin, and it have the tendency also to make you lighten up. All right, it's a product that it really help the skin to be its right state, because there are some cream that what they really want to project, because of how your skin texture or how your skin nature is, they can't really project it. Because maybe if you have very strong skin, all right, and you want to use something like Clinic Clear, I will advise you that for this cream, or make you use the full set, or may you apply or add something else to activate that whitening and all that. But other than that, if you get soft skin, use it, because this product is best for soft skin. Yes, and it works faster. Also, it's just like sorry, I didn't say this about the the City Plus. The City Plus is good for best skin, like soft skin also, all right, like sensitive skin also. So now, so this Clinic Clear B, if you have this sensitive skin, go use Clinic Clear. It will always help you out. So people buy some products, some names of products you've not heard their name, they will just use thinking to work, that is best product for them. Who tell you? So like, it's like I went to buy it because my friend asked to go get it, that's why it will work. Who tell you? Please stop playing. All right, so it is what it is. Go get this Clinic Clear, it will work for you. Now we've got to the end of this review. Whatever question you want to ask, just drop it on the comment section, or you go visit us on Instagram or Facebook or TikTok as well. All right, we are there waiting for you. Just drop your question. Okay, so we've got to the end of this review. Bye bye.